In this video, I show you how to fix Google Gemini is not working. For fix this problem, go to Play Store, search for Gemini, tap on Gemini, update your Gemini app. Now search for Google, tap on Google app, update your Google app if you have an update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Scroll down, find out Gemini, tap on Gemini, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now open Gemini. Now tap on use Gemini. Now I hope that this method fix Gemini not working, Google Gemini not working problem.